Some apps keep running in the background even when you are not using them, and they drain your battery fast. With your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can manually put those apps to sleep so they stop running in the background and save your battery. Here's how to do it. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Battery. Tap Battery. Next, tap Background Usage Limits. Tap Sleeping Apps. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Now select the app you want to put to sleep, for example, Facebook, and then tap Add. As you can see, the selected app, in this case Facebook, has been added to the sleeping apps list, which means this app will not run in the background and you may stop receiving notification from it until you open it again. This is great for social media, games, or any app that doesn't need to always be active, helping you get more battery life out of your phone every day. Thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.